Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a business timeline slide and infographic that I have made using animations and some shapes in PowerPoint. So let me show you how to make this amazing infographic and timeline in PowerPoint. But first be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start. First open up blank slide in PowerPoint and add this rhombus right here like this. And you're going to decrease its width. And let's place it and adjust it. Now place it into the middle and duplicate it and select the second shape and you're going to go to rotate and you're going to rotate it. Now right click on it and send it to the back. Now select this shape. You're gonna rectangle onto it. You're gonna change its color to white. And now the next thing you're gonna do is rotate it like this. That we only get a half of rhombus. So this is gonna be a little bit difficult. But be sure to follow my steps so you can learn how to do this. You're gonna make it onto the rhombus that it cuts half into the triangle, and there you go. Let's just adjust it a little bit so that no corner of this triangle is shown. Select both the images and subtract them, and there you go. Change its color, remove the soft line and place it onto the first shape. Now what you're gonna do is select these and adjust them. Select all of these and you're gonna group it by pressing Ctrl G and you're gonna duplicate them by pressing Ctrl D. And there you go. Now what you're gonna do next is you're gonna do the same and you're gonna duplicate the shapes about 4 times and let's duplicate it one more time and this is the last time. Now the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate it once more, but ungroup it and only put this shape next to the last shape. But you're gonna remove the two shapes that are remaining that we haven't used. So now let's adjust them and put this triangle onto it. But what you're going to do is remove this that rhombus that is placed onto the slide that we aren't going to use. Yeah, this one. So let's remove this and go to insert and shapes and we're going to add this arrow onto our slide. So let's add it. Let's put it right here onto the shape. We're going to increase its size and width and we're gonna select both the shapes and we're gonna combine it, change its color to yellow, remove the subline, and we're gonna combine it into union. And we're gonna change its color to black and we're gonna remove its outline. Select all the shapes and remove the outlines. Now what we're gonna do is go to format background and let's change the color of the format background into black. Now select each of this triangle and you're going to duplicate it and put it onto the last one. Let's adjust it. Now go to first shape and you're going to go to format shape and you're going to change its color to a gradient and you're going to give this gradient, I'm using orange and white, a combination of these colors and gradient. Now we're going to do the same for the next shape. And for this, I'm using green and white. For the next, I'm gonna use blue, this green, we're gonna use parrot green, and this dark orange. For the next shape, what we're gonna use is this purple color with a bit of combination of white. And for the fifth shape, we're gonna use this dark purple color that have some shade of pink. And for this last one, I'm gonna use this red color with some color combination of white. This is a really dark color, so let me just add some black shade into it. Now let me just add just the colors of other shapes. Now the next thing you're gonna do is select each of the triangles on each of the shape and you're gonna give it a gradient color. I'm gonna use this white for each of the following. Let's give them this black and white gradient. It is. There you go. Now we're gonna select these backward shapes and we're gonna change their color into a little bit of gray and a combination of black and white. Let's do the following for each of the shape. Now the next thing we're gonna do is add our text and we're gonna duplicate each of them and place each of them onto the next and next shape. And that's how you do it. I'm gonna press Ctrl G to duplicate it. That's a shortcut key. You can also use that for quick results. So I have adjusted my text and I have entered my text onto the slide and I have inserted it and I have changed its color to white. Now the next step is that you go to Insert tab and icons and you from here you're gonna select six pretty icons. Let me just check what icons can I select. There are plenty of icons. Both are free and some are premium. So I have selected these six of the icons and I'm gonna select each of them and I'm gonna decrease their size and change their color to white. And let's place each of them into each of the shape. So there are a total of six icons and six shapes. So I'm gonna put each of the icon in each of the shape, but be sure to put them into the middle and on top of the text that it is into the center. There you go. And for this one, I'm gonna place it somewhere like here. Now the next step you have to do is insert your title. So I'm gonna insert that this shape is O1 and this shape is O2 and that is O3 and I'm gonna change this color related to the shape's color that is brown and I'm gonna duplicate it and paste it several times and then I'm gonna place it each of the on top of each of the shape and I'm gonna select this one and I'm gonna insert O4 and I'm gonna change this color to purple related to the purple shape. Now the next thing you're gonna do is uh, give animations. Be sure to give the same animations as I have given and also give the same timing of 2 or 1 second. So this was all you had to do. And so I have given all the animations. I'm gonna select this last shape and I'm gonna give it some animation too. So that was all for today in this video. I hope you liked the video and if you did, be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and don't forget to comment down because your opinion means a lot to us.